Hey guys, welcome back to the DAHKTUBE. And before we get started, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Ensure you watch the previous videos on converting from exponential form to logarithmic form and vice versa. So now we're going to do the laws of logarithm. So just like the laws of indices and the laws of surds, logarithm has its laws. So for example, we know that from indices that any base raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So as you can tell, this is in exponential form. So that means if we were to convert this exponential form into logarithmic form, we would have log base a of 1 being equal to 0. And what that means is the log of 1 to any base is 0. For example, let's say we have log 10 of 1. That would be equal to 0. Again, if we have log 8, 1, that will be equal to 0. So the log of 1 to any base is equal to 0. So another one is, again, recall the exponential form, a to the y is equal to x. So let's say we have a to the 1. We know that anything raised to the power of 1 is itself. So if we were supposed to convert this to logarithmic form, it would be log a being equal to 1. So what that means is the log of a number to the same base is 1. For example, let's say we have a log 8 of 8. That would be equal to 1. Again, log 2 of 2 would be equal to 1. So the log of a number to the same base is equal to 1. Another one, a to the log of base a, b is equal to b. So what that is saying is a to the log of a number to base a. So the log of this number to base a is equal to the number itself. For example, let's say we have 6 log 6, 7. So the answer here would be 7. So it's a to the log of a number in base a. So it's base 6 of the number itself, which is 7. Another one is, let's say we have 5 log 5, 9. The answer would be 9. Times q, which is pq, would be equal to a log ap times a log aq, based on what we did a while ago with b being equal to a log ab. So now, because we are multiplying the same bases, we must add the powers. So we have PQ being equal to A log AP plus log AQ. So if we're supposed to log both sides, so it will be log A PQ being equal to log A log AP plus log AQ. So now we'd have to take down the power to the forefront. So we'd have log APQ be equal to log AP plus log AQ being multiplied by log AA. And if you can recall, log AA is 1. So that means log APQ is equal to log AP plus log AQ. So now, for example, let's say we have log 445. So log 445 can be split by saying log 4 9 times 5. So that would be log 4 9 plus log 4 5. Let's say again we have log 2, 7 plus log 2, 5. That would be log 2, 7 times 5, which is log 2, 35. So the same thing can be done when we're dividing. So P over Q. So that would be A log AP divided by A log AQ. So whenever we're dividing the same bases, we subtract the powers. So that would be A log AP minus log AQ. So now if we're supposed to log both sides, so it's log AP over Q, that would be equal to log A log AP minus log AQ. So that would be equal to, taking this to the forefront, that's log AP minus log AQ in bracket, and that's log AA. And we know that log A is equal to 1. So that means log AP over Q is equal to log AP minus log AQ, and vice versa. So let's say, for example, we have log 6, 13 over 5. That would be equal to log 6, 13 minus log 6, 5. And again, let's say we have log 9, 21 minus log 9, 4. That would be equal to log 9, 21 over 4. Now, let's say we have P itself, and we know that P would be equal to A to the log AP. Let's say we want to find P to the nth power. So that would be A log AP all raised to the power of n. Now, if we were supposed to log both sides, the A, so we'd have log A log AP to the n. So the powers would multiply each other. So we'd have log A to the n log AP. And then the power would be brought to the forefront, so that's n log AP times log AA. And we know that log AA is 1. So that means log AP to the n is equal to n log AP. For example, let's say we have log 7, 10 to the 8. That would be the same thing as saying 8 log 7, 10. Again, let's say we have 3 log 8, 5. That would be the same thing as saying log 8, 5 cube. So here we'll take this here, but when the power is already there, we'll take it to the forefront. Now the last one we have is, let's say we have a log base A of A to the C. So what we do, take the C to the forefront, so we'd have C log AA, and we know that log AA is 1, so that'll be C times 1, which is the same thing as C. For example, let's say we have log 8, 8 to the 4. We take the 4 to the forefront, and then we have log 8, 8. So that's 4 times 1, which is 4. Another one, let's say we have log 2, 2 to the 3. That would be 3 log 2, 2. That's 3 times 1, which is equal to 3. So those are the laws of logarithm. Thank you for staying tuned, and I'll see you guys next time on the DAHKTUBE.